I just wanted to do an update to a previous video that I made regarding where to mount CB, or in this case I have a ham radio now, but I wanted to show what I ended up doing, and I really I couldn't get myself to do the overhead mount just because I just wasn't comfortable with it. I didn't really feel like that was the best place for it. So in doing some online searching, I found there was a company that made a bracket that mounts on the side of the console here, and I like that. And so the only problem is the bracket was $40, and I didn't know if I would like it or not, so I actually just made my own, and I just used a piece of aluminum that I had and created my own bracket. It's really handy because it's really easy on a Jeep JL to bring power through the dash on the passenger side. Just above the main harness that goes through, there's a single little nipple that you can poke through and run a wire through. So that's good, and also the antenna is on this side, so I don't have to cross the antenna wire anymore. You can just come straight up the side of the passenger and plug into the radio. So but this works really good in this location. The only thing is it is obstructed whenever I'm using my tablet with my map, but it works for now. So but I just wanted to update you guys and show you what I did. And if you're thinking about or having trouble finding where to mount a ham or CB radio, and if you don't want to fabricate your own, there's a bracket that you can get that mounts it exactly like this, and it's a good location. It works out really well. I've had about 3 or 4 different passengers, and I've kind of watched as they're sitting in here, and their leg doesn't come anywhere close to it, so it works really good. It's a good option. Here is the view from the driver's side. So makes it pretty easy to use, easy to see. This is working well so far. I've had it like this for about a week, and it's worked out really well. I've enjoyed it in that position, so would recommend it.